Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing an experiment that is going to be showing you what happens with color, dish soap, and milk. So what you need some food coloring. I actually got the real stuff this time. I'm not sure, it probably will work if you have the gel food coloring, but I'm not 100% sure. We're going to do it with the regular food coloring. Some dish soap, so just regular dish soap. I prepared it and just put it into a bowl. That way it's already ready to go. I have enough cotton swabs or Q-tips that each of my kids will be able to play. A flat dish that has a lip to it so that when you pour the milk in, it's not going to go outside of the dish. And then you need to make sure that whatever milk you use, that it actually has some fat to it. It'll work much better if it's like 2% or 1% or even whole milk than if you had skim. And we're going to talk about why. All right, so we have our milk and it's all ready. So we have just enough to fill the bottom of the plate. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put 5 to 6 drops of color and I'm going to separate them out. So I'm going to put them, the colors will be all together. So all the green drops will be together, all the blue, so on and so forth. But I'm going to keep them separate from each other. And then the kids are going to each take a Q-tip and they're going to dip it into the dish soap and they're going to put it into the colors and we're going to see what happens. So Mikey had a great prediction as to what do you think is going to happen when you put the dish soap into the milk?
When you put the dish soap into the milk, all the color is going to go away from its natural spot.
Oh, okay. And why do you think, what happens when we use dish soap on dirty dishes?
All the dirty food washes away because the dish soap is too strong.
Good. All right, so we'll set up our colors. All right, so we have our colors set up. So I used some of each color. And now what the kids are going to do, go ahead, you guys. They are dipping their Q-tips into the soap. And look what happens. They separate. Mikey was right. Okay, so here's what it looks like now. We have swirled it all together. The milk and the food coloring and the dish soap. Okay, so why does this work? So like Mikey said in his prediction, the dish soap definitely initially it causes the food coloring to move away because what the food coloring and the water that's a part of the milk are doing is they are combining to make the color. Now what happens is eventually the dish soap actually bonds with the fat in the milk, which causes everything to mix together as a result. So it starts off by separating, and then when you start to swirl it together, the fat from the milk and the dish soap are bonding together. And then the color and the water that's found in milk is bonding together. So quick activity, fun to play with. You can definitely do it again and again, depending upon how much milk you have. And you can always try it with different kinds of milk. So try it with skim milk, try it with soy milk, try it with fatty milk. So try, whatever and see if there's any differences in them. But a nice, fun, colorful activity for a Friday.